안녕하세요. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Shina. Excuse me, can I have your time, tay? Pwede na masalad? Thank you. So, ikaw ang mama ni Shina, te? 안녕하세요. Good morning, Shina.
안녕하세요. 신한 8살 중학교 2학년 신한입니다. 반갑습니다.
Wow. Hi, ate. Unsa pangalan ni mo, ate?
Sheila Dimisilio.
Sheila Dimisilio. How old are you?
29.
29. When is your birthday?
September 17, 1993.
Nakay-work ate job? So, housewife. Okay. Pila ka po kay mga anak ate?
Sheila.
So, Sheena ra. So, Sheena is the only daughter. Kinsa ang papa ni Sheena ate?
Arnel Kisil.
Arnel. Pila edad niya ate?
27.
27. Then, kano sa iyang birthday?
June 22, 1995.
June 22, 1995. Unsay occupation niya ate? Sa papa ni Sheena? Driver sa scrapan. Everyday siya mag-drive?
Oh, karon. Pero sa una, on-call siya tungkol sa pandemic.
Okay. Sa income niya ate?
Minimum ra.
Minimum. Okay. Kumusta ang pag-school ni mo, Sheena? Okay ra. Na kayo friends sa school? Na siya friends sa school, te? Okay ra yung pagan? Di ka maghilak sa school? Okay. So, asa siya nag-school, ate?
Maktan Elementary School.
Mactan Elementary School. So, yung schedule sa study niya?
Afternoon.
Afternoon session. What time mag-start?
12:15.
12:15. Then, ma-end sa
5 p.m.
5 p.m. Okay ra ka sa school niyo mo lang? Happy ra ka? Nag-enjoy ka? Wow, nice. So, by the way, this is the house of Sheena. 안녕하세요, Bidang.
안녕하세요.
Good morning.
Morning.
Salamat sa time. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Going to Phoebe's house. So there are many other houses here. Se, hayati. Asa ila Phoebe? Ayon. Ayo. May hapon ate. Pwede mo sulod. May hapon kuya. Mo ninyo ha? Ikasal na dahil mo tinong. Mo ni ang daog ni Phoebe sa Yuno. First runner-up. Best in costume. Asa si Phoebe?
Palit og ice day.
Mag-snack dahil mo sana all. So, mag-video kasi yung balay tayo. Okay ka?
Okay ra.
So, mo ninyo hang kusina.
Oh, yalihan na ng konde. Kapinan.
Cortina. Okay.
Bas magyapon pa.
Rice cooker mo?
Wala mo na nagamit na yan.
Kaya wala mo kurente?
Wala.
Oh.
Amo na nang gipatungan na
So, they have no electricity. So, mag-butane na mo.
Water naman na.
Money. Asa mo gikan og water ti?
Sa puso dahil haloyo dahil.
Water pump?
Nya
Okay.
magkuhan ra hapot og tubig.
Hello, Phoebe. 안녕하세요. Can you introduce yourself?
안녕하세요. 저는 6살 초등학교 1학년 비비입니다. 감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida. So, asa man ka matulog, Bi? Asa man yung kwarto? Musud ko, ati ha. Okay lang. Hala, it's dark.
Dark eh.
Ngit-ngit. No electricity?
Pero rami day. Nya basta buntag amo ra isahi na pud. Kaya
Oh.
para mahangin.
Di kay kamutanan family.
Kasi kami tulo diri yung papa dito sa ubos.
They only have musket. Mo lagi.
Ibuot mo ang nila.
So pila mo kabuok sa inyong family ate?
4 day.
4.
4 teacher.
So si kuya, ikaw. Pila edad ni mo te?
27.
27. Ikaw kuya?
28.
28.
Na siya po.
29 ika December.
Oh. Si Bibi?
1 year old.
1 year old. Ikaw, B? 6 years old. Ikaw, B? 6 years old. Solo yan, no? Kaya wala may kuwinti niya na may bata.
Boy, pahit kada gabi.
Ang lagi.
Di ba may magkuan, di ba may magtupad o kuan. Si baby dito sa dakyo niya, sinday sa to nga, yung papa ito subos. Kay buot.
So, kinsa may nanarbaho ninyo, te?
Si ako ba na din.
Ang say work ni mo, kuya?
Construction ka ng kuhan ka dito sa Shikaton, yung ganyo.
Construction worker? Okay. Ikaw, ate, housewife?
Housewife.
Ikaw yung nagkuhan sa imuhang duha ka babies?
Ako nagatiman na. Kuan ng baby sa eskwelahan.
Nga imuha sang gamay, no? Napakay bata nga gamay. So, this is the house of Phoebe. Ang katong puso dito mo to, yung kuhanan ng water, no? Water pump. So, they'll get their water from here. Ale, Ate Fabi. Here. Ayaw mo magkuha og tubig, Ate Fabi? Anhi? Okay. Nag-learn ka og multiplication, Ate Fabi? 3 times 2. 3 times 3. 4 times 2. 2 times 7. 5 times 4. 6 times 7.
42.
Very good, Ate Fabi. Mag-study ka per me, ha? Kay para matabangan ni mo si mama o si papa. Okay? So, mga to, ate. Kuya, salamat kaayo. Salamat, Fabi. Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida. Good day, everyone. So, my father is already done with our ceiling. It has to be painted. And we are now working to paint everything in the house. So, here is my brother. Annyeong! Hello! So, we are about to paint the entire house. To finish everything and arrange everything in place. So, 감사합니다. 기금도미님.
Annyeonghaseyo. So we are here at the dental. So Maxine is her monthly visit for her brace, and Eliza will have her brace today. And Oma Adi, Oma Eliza, so another extra tooth, right? And then if after how many months for the dentures, right? 1 month for 1 month. Okay, so this is our all supported from Uncle Musingim. Uncle Musingim, kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Are you done extracted tooth? So since Adi's mom is already done, and she will go home first, while Eliza and Maxine is not yet done pa man. It's hard to finish pa man. So this is all from Mustingim. Mustingim, kamsahamnida. Are you done?
Weird. Ayaw si palabig ko dahil pag-o. What can you say to Uncle Musting? Uncle Musting, kamsamida. Start. I said, don't be hard-headed ha. You have 4 bayo. Sa babaw. Ayaw kayo nga ngalangga. Katong sa pangangipon. So, na-adjust na siya. These are all the payments since Maxine's monthly is 2,500, so I will not include this for today. Maxine 2,000 for her raise adjustment, and Eliza is 30. 5. And at the Rachel, Eliza's mom is 300 for the medicine, and for the extracted tooth is 3,200. So a total of 38 minutes. So please visit means count ko please. Thank you, exact amount. Thank you. Thank you. So we're just done. Actually, today's appointment is braces. Also, I'm already done. So, ay sige, stop moving always in your mouth so that it won't be, so that the braces will not removed. Okay, don't be hard-headed. The same as Maxine. Look, Maxine, we pay additional because hard-headed. Okay. So, how do you feel? Very nervous. You, Maxine. Actually, today we went braces with them, and I am with also Etzel's mom because shopping for their refrigerator and also some materials here, study table, beds, and everything we have. And I am with my 2 assistants with Tala. We bought also from Christmas giveaways for our students for the party. Hi, Tala! What can you say? What do you want? Ha? Hi, Maxine! Maxine. Nalugaw, Maxine. 6.50. We're here to buy fruits for Tala's father. 5 kilos ang mangga. So, yellow watermelon, apple, grapes, mangoes, bananas, lemon, and oranges. A total of 2,000. Ate. Thank you, ate. Annyeonghaseyo, everyone. Annyeonghaseyo. So, a while ago, Uncle Mustingmin told me that you will receive 2 sets of Jollibee. So, each family you have 2 sets of Jollibee. Adi's family, Kyla's family, and Tala's family, and also my families. And for the assistant teachers, 1 set Jollibee. So this is all supported from Mustingmin. And also 2,000 fruits. So these fruits are all for Tala's father. Okay, so all set. So about naman mo sa set sa Jollibee, right? So Uncle Mustingmin supported this all for you. Uncle Mustingmin, kamsamida. Kamsamida, kaon marami ha. Okay? So, Eliza, except Eliza and Mama and your mother. Okay? Adi, kaundagan ha. Ha? And also Aubrey. Maxine, not so. Okay? Okay, so bye-bye everyone because I have a meeting later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo. So, we are here at the appliances together with Itzel's mom to buy her refrigerator. So you can choose what you want. Kanang inverter ha. Dali mo to juice. Yan, aircon pa sa baan. Junior.
Takan ma'am, wala.
Balay ra.
Balay jud na siya, ideal din na siya.
Oh, pwede ba? Ikaw bala. Na, kanang stand fan nga inverter. Ano, LG? Pero, 9 kilo? Wolf fan. Since, Edsel's room is not enough space, so she chose wall fan instead of stand fan. So this is all supported from Hunggumanim.
Hunggumanim, kamsamida.
Kwapo de mong mask, uy.
Hunggumanim, kamsamida. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! 17,600 total. Ref and wall fan. Ref and fan, wall fan. So a total of 17,600. So we are here to choose for a study table for Edson. Go, Oma. Para kani, yaha, sit and sleep nga foam. Pwede rin po gani umatay. Kani kay, gamay rin siya foam. Kani kay.
Ini ang sound to na mo.
Ila, pagkatay mo.
Wahi lang to ma'am. Manakay na nila ha. Para mausa tong plated.
Oh, pwede na mo mag-plate.
Pabot rin mo nga.
9 for 5. This is for the floor mat. So, these are all for Edsel, right? Saan tong kuon? Para sa plate. Pwede here. This one. And floor mat.
Floor mat.
And Orocan for Edsel. And this chair, what I've said is for Edsel study table. Foam. Actually, it's sofa foam for sleep and sit. So, since Edsel is not with us, how do you feel?
I'm glad, I'm happy, I'm overwhelmed, I'm thankful. Hunggumanim kamsamida. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for this. This is a big gift. My Christmas is Merry Christmas.
Smile, sabi.
Ano yun?
Welcome to everyone who are here. Welcome to our teacher Lani and to the students. I am teacher Trisha, your host for today. We are all gathered here to celebrate our Christmas party on this 19th day of December, year 2022. Una magsugod ang kalingawan, giagdan ako ang tanan na mamarug aron magpasalamat ta kay Team Sukini mo sa Maktan channel. 1, 2, 3. Annyeonghaseyo! Words cannot express how we are grateful today. To Uncle Kim Suk-yun, Kamsahamnida for your sponsorship to our Christmas party in our area. We will never forget your kindness. And to Maktan channel, it would be impossible if not because of you. You have our teachers. Kamsahamnida. Number 6.